Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Armantis4 bringing you an update on my Cornsnake Nova. So on August 5th, 2013, that was the first day I got Nova and the first video of her I showed. So yeah, it's going to be this year, third year I have owned Nova, and it's been great really, yeah. So here she is eating a pre-killed mouse because we all know how butthurt people got on my large lizard feeding live feeding video that has been warned on the title, description box, and comment section with lots of exclamation mark. So yeah, thanks butthurt people who can't seem to read. Here she is up close. And yeah, she's one of the greatest pet I've ever owned, including Camo, my veiled chameleon, which I'm still talking to my friend when can he visit so I can do an update on Camo. So there it is, she just finished eating, and there it is, she has grown quite a bit. So for this part, I used the slow-mo mode from an iPhone, so you guys could see my corn snake yawning better. So anyway, that's it guys. Please like and subscribe. Till next time, YouTube.